Looking around, nobody's with me, guess I'll move on ahead. Searching the ground, a sign of been here. I'm here in Colombia. I'm so excited to be here. We're here for like a little over 2 weeks, over 2 weeks, and it's just the most beautiful place in the world. Like, I'm just so happy here. Okay, so let me catch you up. So my parents are moving here permanently. So my dad is from Colombia originally, and now they're moving back to Colombia. And so we're in their new apartments, and I'll show you around a bit. But yeah, so that's the situation. So now when I come visit my parents, it's going to be here in Colombia, and I am just so happy with that. I mean, grew up coming here my whole life. I've been here a couple days, but I will film everything. Like, I want to vlog everything for you guys. This is just so much fun. I want to actually vlog and get better at vlogging, so that's my goal. But yeah, the elevator in this building has already stopped on us twice, and I had complete panic attack about it, and now I've been trying to take the stairs, but we're so high up. We're like 14 floors up, and we're in high altitude, so it is hard to breathe. So that's been a little bit of the drama so far, but I'm going to show you the rest of the trip, and it's going to be amazing. Currently in Filandia, which is like a really colorful little town, and honestly it's kind of noisy. I mean, it's a busy day. Everyone comes here. It's like for Colombian tourists. Obviously we're tourists, and it's just so lovely. And now we're gonna go have some lunch.
Until pop.
Are you happy to have me here?
Yeah, I'm very happy that both of you are here. No, I'm happy that Ryan's no.
So we just went on the tour for the botanical garden and learning all about like the palms in Colombia and all of that. And then now we're gonna go into the mariposario, which is where all the butterflies are. And apparently there's over like 300 species of butterflies in Colombia, like the most in the world. So it's gonna be beautiful. So cute. What are these ones doing? Fighting? We are currently walking up 100 stairs, 110 stairs to the top to see the view. We just stopped for some dessert, and then there's some llamas here. And a donkey. So cute. Cute. Hi, llamas. Me feeling myself? here is my orange cake that I'm making for Christmas. It's an olive oil cake. And this is my view. What a nice day. It's currently one of our last days here, and truth be told, I'm kind of fatigued. I love it, I absolutely love it, but I'm just like ready to go back to my life. Like I'm ready to get to work, I'm ready to start the new year. I mean, I know it's the day after Christmas, like calm down, I can relax, but I had a great Christmas and I'm enjoying time with my family. And I love Colombia, but I'm just like, it's making me appreciate and reflect on what I have in my everyday life, which I think I wasn't doing before, just because I was like, oh, I miss my family, like I don't know exactly where I want to be, what do I want to be doing, and now I feel like this trip helped me gain a little clarity. Looks nice. Now we're at the zoo, and it's actually really fun, and apparently there might be an elephant here, and I'm gonna cry my eyes out, so let's continue on. With the elephants, and I can't stop crying. It's the last day and we're going to the Gold Museum, so let's go.
Each other.